going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog. My name is Jorge, and of course, if you guys don't know, this is my pro charged Pontiac G8 GT. And today, with the transmission stuff fixed, no more issues, no more belt slip, we are going back to the track on this beautiful weather, beautiful day, to see if we can run that 10-second pass. I think it's got it. I'm almost, I don't want to jig myself, but I'm pretty sure that without the belt slip, even if we spin a little bit off the line, this car will run a 10.99 at least. It ran an 11.1 at 124 with it spinning the belt between 6,000 RPM and up. So that's basically the whole top half where it was just losing the power that it does have. So I'm excited, guys. I'm gonna just go over and check a few things, make sure my catch can isn't full or anything like that, and we should be good to go. So I'll see you guys at the track. Right now the weather is about 70 degrees. It's nice and sunny, as you guys can see, but the wind, the temperature will go down. Looks like it's gonna be around mid 50s, so that should be good. That should be nice cool weather to keep this thing cool, keep feeding it some cool air, and we'll see what happens. Like I said, guys, in this video, this car will be running a 10-second 10.99 if it has to, but it will run a 10-second pass. I hope I'm not jinxing myself, but I truly think that I've resolved all my issues and I have a 10-second car. So I'll see you guys at the track, and hopefully the weather holds up and everything works great and I'm able to show you guys a 10-second pass. Alright, guys, we are at the track again, at the staging lanes. This time there's quite a few cars, but it looks like, oh no, they're already moving them forward, so we're gonna get ahead and move it up. But first pass should be coming up here pretty soon, and hopefully we get that 10. Alright, guys, so we are at the staging lane, and we are ready. Hopefully this is a 10-second pass, guys. Hopefully it's a 10-second pass. Guys, holy shit, the car took off. That was intense. Holy shit. Oh man. Well, guys, we are back after the first run, and if you see the smile, I'm excited, because guess what, we did it, guys. We fucking did it. 10.9, and if you see the mile per hour, only 122. But man, the tires got warmed up perfect. I spun them perfectly nice and warm, and it just booked it. I got a 1.5 60 foot, which has been the best 60 foot I've ever gotten on this car. The car just launched, and I'm sure you saw it, and you'll see it in the video, whether earlier or right now, but it just took off. But after reviewing the logs, guys, this car just, I need to do something about that heat, because my IATs shot up all the way to 171, guys. I mean, it was just killing my timing. I do have meth coming on, so that should help, and it should help cool and maybe even get us down into the mid 10. So I'm excited, guys. Fucking got a 10.9. I'm gonna not run this car again. That's it for the season. I'm gonna put the meth kit maybe and do some other stuff. But for now, guys, I'm gonna go enjoy, watch a few other cars, I'll show you guys a few runs, and I'll catch you guys at the house.
Oh, there you go. That's Billy Talbot.
10-8. Oh man. Woo. Definitely got that. That a turbo? I think so. I'm not sure. That white one sounded a little odd.
That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah, I don't know.
Sounds like something's rattling.
Yeah. So we got the two Mustangs up front, and then we got the two Hellcats right behind them. Whew. Yes, sir. Whoa. The white one gonna catch it? Oh, the white one just went around him. Oh, no.
9-4, 9-2.
Wow. Man, that white car just took off.
Check out that. Identical reaction time, 0:21 for both cars.
10.7 and a 10.9
One runs at
at
10.95 and 7
126.
in the left lane. Pit lane.
Well, guys, at least we ran at the same time as that Hellcat. The G8 ran the same 10.9 as one of those Hellcats, so Jay's doing something good. Let's see what this is. So, guys, I think we can be proud of what the G8 has been doing. 10.9, running same times as these Hellcats out here. I'll take it. What do you guys think? Is that good or not? I think a 10.9 is just fine. That got a little scary.
Too much power.
And I bet he's still gonna run like a 10-second pass. Oh, they didn't show any time. Whoa! That Trailblazer SS is sounding beautiful. For all that noise, and 129 to 10.9. That makes me feel a lot better about what the car is doing.
Watch this. That's an 8-second car. That's the truck.
The truck? Oh yeah. Yeah, I told him to put the helmet on. The dude told him put the helmet on. Check out this SS, guys. Looks like it's pretty stock. Don't really hear anything, but I hopefully runs a 12, but probably like a 13 if it's stock.
The mud on them tires, huh?
Yeah. Yeah, this is that SS is probably pretty stock, but it should run like a low 13, maybe like a high 12 in this weather. 11.7 for the truck and a 12.2 for the SS. Man, that is a nice run for the SS, guys. A 12.2. That is a really good run. 12.2 is impressive. It didn't even sound like it had anything. It sounded like stock exhaust, no cam. So it's a good run for that SS. All right, guys. So this next car is some goals right here. This car's got a D1 Pro Charger, meth, and E85. That car ran a 10.2 already without the meth, and now it's going for that was moving. Oh, so close. 10.09 at 133. Damn, that was so close to getting that. He was so close. Well, guys, we are back home, and the G8 accomplished the goal that we had set out to do before we left, and that was to run a 10-second pass. That is right, guys. We were able to run that 10.9. I'm so excited, so stoked. And even more excited is the fact that I know that there is way more that this car can do. And I've kind of gotten to some of the limitations of some of the parts on this thing. Is my IATs. I mean, this car is just, that blower is spinning so much that it is getting really hot. And the air is just shooting up in temperatures. So this thing got all the way up to almost 171 degrees of IAT. So that needs to get better, and for that we're going to need to be installing that meth kit, because meth will definitely keep our temps down and give us a little bit of extra boost in octane. Not too much. We're not going to try to do too much of that, but it is going to help us out tremendously with our IATs, and hopefully keep the steam going in the back half. So that is the next step to getting this car running at the most tip-top best shape that it can run, and that'll be coming up in the next couple weeks. I will start doing the install of that meth kit, and hopefully everything goes well. If not, then I might have to take it to a shop or something. But for the meantime, guys, I'm excited. The car did great, and I can't wait to show you guys what it keeps doing in the next few videos, because we are going to try to help improve some of those deficiencies that we saw in the logs. So hope you guys had a great one. Hope you guys enjoyed watching some of those cars racing. If you did, like, comment down below. Let me know what you liked, what you didn't like, what you would like to see, and also subscribe if you haven't. I'm really trying to get that subscriber count up and going, and you guys have been great. The ones that have subscribed, thank you, and I hope to see you guys in the next one.